Hey, we're Immobiliser Fit. Today we've installed the standard Starline canvas immobiliser on this 72 plate BMW M4. So someone gets your key, they steal the vehicle, hop in it. When they go to drive away, you're going to see the car cut out. Selected gear, car cuts out. For the customer to drive it, they can have their Bluetooth phone paired up, hop in the vehicle, start it up. With their phone, they can just have their Bluetooth on in their pocket. So we'll just turn the Bluetooth on, hear it disarm, and now we can drive it. As you can see, it's gone into gear, hasn't cut out. If the customer doesn't want to use their phone, or their phone's gone flat, they've left it at home, they've forgotten it, they can start it with a PIN code of their choice. So for this video, we've kept it nice and simple with just a simple 3-button press, but you can do a combination of any buttons you want that are supported on the vehicle. The way you use the button code is start it up, put the sequence in that you've chosen, we've left it as 1, 2, 3, hear the melody, and now we can select a gear. This system has a service mode, so when it goes back to BMW, it turns the system off completely. They won't know anything's fitted. You can do that in the phone by pressing and holding in the Starline key app, letting go when it goes yellow, as we'll show you when we turn the Bluetooth back on. So the phone's connected and in range. As you'll see, we get the key with the green circle, which means it's immobilised. Press and hold. When it goes to yellow, we'll let go. 2 bleeps, and now if the phone was out of range, they wouldn't need a code to start it. BMW would be able to drive it around the workshop like it was a normal vehicle. When you get it back, press and hold, make sure it goes back to green. So the system's armed, the vehicle's protected. Let go, 2 bleeps again, confirms it's secure. So once again, if the phone's out of range, customer doesn't put their code in, they start the vehicle up. The thief's now got your key, gone to drive away. When they select a gear, you'll see it cut out. There we go. So to get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is the basic Starline system. Pairs to your phone through Bluetooth with an adjustable range, so you don't need the code. As you can see, melody straight away. Drive. If your phone's not here or you want to use a code, you can. You can set up to 21 presses of any buttons in any order. Totally up to you. It has a service mode, so you can put it into service mode with a push and hold, and it'll only jump out when you tell it to. Once again, our number's 0208 212 7393. It's a 72 plate BMW M4. Thanks for watching.